Let's see how to draw an object using Microsoft Word 2013. First of all, you click Insert menu. Here, you come to Shapes. You can see Designs or Forms. You can see you just pick anyone. Let's pick this rectangle. You hold the left mouse and drag, that is move your mouse. You leave it at the size that you want. Now if you have, okay, you come up here and just click at this ABC. That means no field. Now it's normal. You can now move. Remember, you can always adjust through this place. You can adjust here. So let's insert another form. Let's use this 32-point style. You also come, you scroll. Now you hold and drag. You can see I'm okay with this size. Okay, until you get the size, you leave the mouse. Now you click here, you have the shape that you are looking for. That is the simplest way. Or you could just move here. You could move through this place. Let's insert a line. You hold, you draw. Let's use arrow. You hold, you draw.